The only tool needed for this installation is a flathead screwdriver. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're going to be installing LED tail lights on a 6 to 13 Impala. Also fits 14 to 16 Impala Limited. So let's get started. First step, we're going to remove this panel fastener with the flathead. Unscrew as you would a normal screw. There you go. Repeat on the other side. Once you've completed that, you can do the same thing on the opposite side. Once that's done, you can pick this panel up and out of the way. Next step, you're gonna remove this fastener here by unscrewing it like you would a normal screw. And then peel this panel back to access the other two, right here and right here. Doing the same technique. Unfasten those. Once those are removed, you're ready to unseat the tail light. Unseat the tail light and lift up the tab to disconnect the harness, like so. To continue with the installation of this tail light, we have to remove the factory harness and transfer it over. We won't be needing the parking or brake light bulb, so you can remove that. And the side marker bulb, we also will not be using that, which is the 194, the smaller bulb. You can remove that. And take your harness here. Connect the wedge connector, matching up the black wires with the black wires. Install that securely. Check the side marker socket, which we removed the bulb. Line up the black wires with the black wire. Secure that. And the reverse bulb gets transferred over completely. So insert the sockets and give it a twist to lock them in. And once that's complete, we can take this to the car and install it. Line up your connectors. Make sure that snaps in place and locks. Tuck your harness away. Line up the posts with their mounting holes there. All right, to reinstall, fasten the 3 fasteners. After those 2 are secure, replace the liner and secure the 3rd fastener. You're gonna line up your trunk trim, snap that in place, and secure the fastener on both sides. Like so. Once you're done with that, repeat the same process on the opposite side. Now that our tail lights are installed, let's test the functions.